Hi, and welcome to Cloud App Studio. In Cloud App Studio, you can create web applications just using your browser. So let me show you how you easily can create a web application to track issues based on one of our templates. So here we have different set of templates where you can preview and you can directly create an application. Once you create it, the data being saved is saved in your name with your account, and that's a Gmail or Google Apps account. So now the application's been created. Let's open it and see what it looks for an end user. It's based on a form and a view in this sample application. So why don't we just try adding a content item. Let's say the printer is not working. Please help. It's new and it's low priority. Let's submit it. Here we see the submitted data. Now let's go back into the admin tool where we can customize this. So if we refresh this, we can now see that we have one post. So this diagram shows the last week activity. We can create custom views to reflect the data being submitted. You can create multiple forms in each web application. Once you've done this, maybe you want to customize the look and feel. So going to app settings, we could change what we call a theme. So we have different sets of predefined themes. So let's go with that. Refresh, and you have a new theme. You can also add things like headers and footers to your application. Once you've created your application, of course you want to share it. So let's click the Share tab. Here you have a QR code and the URL to your application. At the bottom you can see that we have different set of access. So anyone could be viewer, contributor, and so on. And being a contributor makes it possible to submit such things as forms. So basically that's what you want when you have a form-based web application. You can also invite named users just by adding their mail addresses. Test@capcom to see. Hit enter and give them different user access. If they're administrators, they can access this admin tool. Either they can work as contributor and so on. And you can easily delete them just by clicking the delete button. So that's how easy it is to get started with Cloud App Studio. So use the templates and then easily customize all the tools. Look into the different tutorials to see more about that. Good luck.